guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sandy, and my daughter, Harmony, and in today's video, we are going to BoxyCharm unboxing. So, this is for July's box. So, are you ready to open it up?
Yeah.
So, July's theme is road tripping, as we see with the map and the card tag. So all the hashtags related to this box have the word route in them. Let's see what we've got. Are you ready?
Yeah.
And there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And I hear there was 2 options for the boxes. You could have gotten this or something else. I don't remember what the something else was. But, so yeah. Alright, so since that's the first thing I see, we're going to go ahead and pull this out. Okay, so this is from Tarte. It is a Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. Looks really gorgeous. And this is kind of new for me. Has its own little tag right here. You going to hold the product for me? Hold it where they can see it. Alright, so the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist. Give your skin the glow it deserves with the antioxidant-packed cucumber fruit and plant extract skin tonic. The non-sticky mist delivers a radiant, dewy finish for lit from within luminosity. Refresh dull, tired, or sluggish feeling skin throughout the day, or use after your skincare routine to balance tone and boost your complexion. Or $25. Hashtag Tarte Route, and it's Cicely's fave. So, I don't recognize any of these influencers, but I would definitely check them out. Alright, so let's see. Let's check out the mist. Shake well. Alright, so are we ready? No, I'm not going to spray your face. Ready? That's a pretty nice. It comes out pretty hard though. I want to show you guys the mist that it has. See, it looks like it goes on nice. Oh, but it comes out really, like, fast. I think the smell is okay. It's not my favorite.
It smells real good.
But oh, don't open your eyes. It burnt my eyes. Whew. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that because it feels like it comes out really fast at your face. You're not supposed to be eating in my video.
Sorry.
Hurry up and finish it. So, it's really pretty and it smells kind of good, but I don't like how it felt coming at my face. I feel like it does shoot out. Like it has a nice fluttery mist to it, but it comes out really fast. And I just didn't like how that came at my face. So, alright, pick the next thing. What's next? This. Alright, Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. You want to hold it? This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. So this retails for $24. Hashtag Wander Route. And it's Cola's favorite. So it's really pretty packaging. I love the gold on this. It's really pretty. 6 months after opening. That's nice. So let's open her up. I'm not used to mascara being in a squeezy tube. So here's the applicator. It is bent a little bit. That helps with the curling of the lashes. one of our Mary Kay, our lash lengthening curls like that. The bristles seem pretty nice, so we'll definitely have to try it out. What's next, Harmony? The box. The box is next. This is Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Argan oil. You want to open it?
Sure.
It is designed to work for all skin types. This luminous, paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. It retails for $11.99. Hashtag Note Route and Joelle's favorite. Okay, so this was the box packaging. Really nice and sleek. I got Desert Rose as my shade. Alright, that looks nice. Okay, so it's a nice matte black. And as I said, it was Desert Rose is my color. This is good for 24 months after you open it. It's a nice curved. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's curved. And it pops open. And you've got a neat little mirror. And then this is our shade. This is Note. And then lift up. And there's a brush in there. So that's really nice.
I didn't know it this so.
Rounded brush. And the brush is really tiny. Fits perfectly in the compact, obviously. Rounded top. The bristles do feel really nice. You feel it?
Yeah, that's so good.
So I'm going to pop that back in there. And we're going to swatch our color. Ooh, it's definitely peachy.
That's right.
So that's my shade right there. Desert Rose. It's got a peachy tone to it.
Yeah.
Not quite sure how much I'll actually use this shade. A little out of my comfort zone, but willing to try it out.
I like it.
You like it?
Mhm.
Okay. All right. What's next, Harmony?
We'll do this one.
Product number 4. CHELLA Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So CHELLA Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. Retails for $26. Hashtag CHELLA Route and Debbie's favorite. So there's 2 ends. I thought, okay. Oh. One end, one top end, one turning end. So when you open it up, you have this angled brush.
What's the turn?
Oh, okay, it does come apart, so I wasn't crazy. So this part covers the brush. You've got brush on it. And then the top twists off, and that is where the product is contained.
What kind of product is it?
It is an eyebrow cream. So you take your brush and you dip it in there like that. Get some on there. Now I will say it's only really getting on the tip of the brush. The whole brush is not covered. though it looks like you don't need it to, so that's nice. Hold on, Harmony. Okay. So, it's a nice taupe color. Oh, nope. Alright, when you do this, alright, just kind of gently rub it in there. Go with the brush. Don't turn your brush sideways. Yep, like that. Don't push too hard. There you go.
Calmly.
So this, you would go in your eyebrows. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. I will definitely be doing a try-on video with these products. And the last product, Miss Harmony. And so this is a Dr. Brandt product. Yay! I like when I get Dr. Brandt. No more baggage. You want to hold it? Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. Retails for $42. Hashtag Dr. Brandt Route and Valentina's Fave. Let's check out this Needless No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Okay, so different than my other Dr. Brandt products, which are blue, this one is actually black. And it looks really nice. I actually like how it looks. It's for all skin types. So let's check it out. It's got a small squeeze tube opening right there.
Looks like it's not coming out.
There it goes.
Oh.
Okay, so it comes out orange, like that.
And you can't even see it on the tan skin.
You're not supposed to see it, babe. It's supposed to blend in and be absorbed.
Okay.
It doesn't feel sticky, or tacky, but it does feel like I can feel it. It's there.
I feel it too.
Like I can tell it's on my skin, on my hand. So, I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I've liked every other Dr. Brandt product I've gotten before, so I will definitely be trying this out, and will let you know in my BoxyCharm try-on how it worked. So that's all of our products. Let's add up the price and see what we've got. So our products for this month total at $120.99, which is definitely well over the $22 for the box. Now, right offhand, I don't know if it was worth that this month for me, because I'm not too sure about the Tarte spray and the blush. I don't really know about those. The eyebrow pencil might be a little dark for me. We'll have to see. But I am super interested in this guy, and I'm very curious about this mascara. So there will definitely be coming a Mary Kay Versus on this mascara. And I'll probably do a Mary Kay Versus on the blush, because I believe we have a blush that's similar to that color. We also have a Mary Kay also has a product for under eyes, depuffiness and stuff. So that will be a fun to try for that. So that's all I have for this BoxyCharm unboxing video. So Harmony has left us, but she says thank you for watching this video, and I say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like the video if you liked it, and so subscribe if you want to be notified when I do my next BoxyCharm unboxing. Hit the bell if you want to be sent a notification for that, or hit subscribe to be notified when I post other videos, which are coming soon. I have a bunch in the works being edited right now. So again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for my BoxyCharm try-on video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!